Hey guys, Sonance here, back in another video. So in this video, we're gonna make a drop like Chris Lake, like he did in tracks as these. So as you can hear, it's quite an unorthodox style of tech house, with a lot of random stuff, FX, random synths, and of course the vocal in the drop. So let's start off with the vocal. I picked this one from the underground tech house pack, sounding like this.
Speakers, basement, coke, we laced it.
So now we're gonna work on the first part of the drop. For this 4 bars I only want the vocal, kick and bass playing. And then we're gonna drop in all the elements in the second part of the drop. So let's start off with a kick. Let's search a kick from the new tech house pack. We'll be using this one. Sounding like this.
Speakers, basement, coke, we laced it. Aura, cloud, getting wasted.
Now we're gonna drop in the open head, so let's pick another one for the pack. I wanna use this really short one. Sounding like this.
Speakers, basement, coke, we laced it.
So now we're gonna dive in the bass line. So I added in this new serum. Let's pick a preset for the pack. We'll be using this Chris Lake inspired bass line from his track Nightmare. So let's make the MIDI. We're gonna work in G. Working mostly with the root note and the dissonant note. So this will be the main riff. Duplicate it. And drop it down. Just like this. So now we're gonna mix it. First I added a sidechain to it. Quite a heavy one. And the R bass to really boost the sub frequencies. To bring it out some more. So right now it's a bit empty with just the kick, bass and vocals. So let's add this ambient sound to it. Just to fit it up in the background just a little bit more. So altogether the first part of the drop sounds like this.
Speakers, basement, coke, we laced it. Aura, cloud, getting wasted.
So we got the first part of the drop ready. So now I want to dive to the second part of the drop. First we're going to duplicate the elements. Just like this. Then I want to add a clap to it from the pack as well. So we'll be using this one. So right now the drums sound like this. Which is dope, but I want to add some more groove to it. So I dropped in this drum loop. And then just cut out all the groove elements. Just like this. Sounding like this. It already sounds quite dope, but I want to add some more to it. So what Chris Lake always does in this track is add a little bit of shaker loops to it. So I dropped in this head sample. Then routed it to the piano roll. And just drop in 16 notes. Sounding like this. Then just drop it up a little bit. Sounds way better. Then we're gonna press Alt Q to quantize it, Alt L to make it the same length, and Alt R to randomize the velocity. Just like this. So now we're gonna mix it. First make sure to cut out the low end. Then I added an auto pan to it. Make it pan from left to right. Of course the sidechain. So that's it for the drums. Now we're gonna mix it on the drum bus just a little bit more. So I just added in a transient shaper. It's a free plugin, so you can just check it out. And a shaker box to add some more soft clipping to the drums. Altogether the drums sound like this. So now we're gonna add the lead sounds to it. I got this new serum loaded up. So let's pick another preset from the Dirty Tech Film 4 pack. We'll be using this one. So let's make a simple MIDI. Just a basic rhythm. And then just another one at the end. Sounding like this. Now we're gonna mix it. First get rid of the low end. and this frequency, which is resonating. And then just reverb and delay. Of course, the sidechain. So that will be the first lead. Now we're gonna add the laser sounds to it. So first I made this laser, which is quite complicated to reproduce, but it's just a saw wave with a lot of LFO modulation regarding the pitch. It's at the same mixer channel as the other leads, so it sounds like this. Together with the synth, sounding like this. And then just add in another laser sound at this part, so I created two more sounds. This one with again the LFO to the chorus pitch of a saw wave. And then this other one, instead of the saw wave, I used a sine wave to it, which gives another dope effect. So together the lasers and the synth sound like this. So we got almost all elements done of the drop. So I just started playing a few effects to make the transitions a little bit smoother with the downlifter at the start of the drop. This synth shot. These crashes. With a reverse as well. The vocal. And a small build up. So that's it for the Chris Lake style drop. I think it's really simple, but it turned out really dope. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.